Hi everyone! Today's activity is Can You Guess the Sound Part 2. Can you guess the sound? Well done! It's a cow. Can you guess the sound? Well done! It's a dog. Can you guess the sound? Well done! It's a horse. Can you guess the sound? Well done! It's a rooster. Can you guess the sound? Well done! It's a sheep. Can you guess the sound? Well done! It's a bird. Can you guess the sound? Well done! It's a pig. Can you guess the sound? Well done! It's a hen. Can you guess the sound? Well done! Guinea pig. Can you guess the sound? Well done! Duck. Can you guess the sound? Well done! Bees. Can you guess the sound? Well done! Geese. Can you guess the sound? Well done! Donkey. Can you guess the sound? Well done. Turkey. Thank you for watching.